Francesca's Treasure Cove. Hi Francesca, today we are going to be opening a
Poopsie Slime Surprise. And where do we get that from?
Guys, I thought these people that sell them only had it in America. Now it's so dark again.
The sun's gone away, hasn't it? So where did we go today?
My shade over there, and now we need the sun to dry it. It's that!
Right, so we went to Smyths Toys Superstore today. The first that was opened.
Got a balloon.
Yep, but let's open this.
Okay.
Do you know what to do?
Yes. I saw this in a video, guys.
Okay. Oh!
Don't open that yet.
That's like 10 magic surprises. Is there really 10 surprises in there?
Yeah.
Need a bit of help or are you okay?
No.
You're becoming an expert at opening stuff, do you know that? Can everyone hear Francesca's loud clicking? She has mastered the click. Oh my god, that's so loud.
Yeah.
Yay!
Come on, what do you need to do next?
So next, hold on, so it says make slime, add magic, collect. So I think you just take the lid off. Can you take it off or do you need help?
No, you need to take this off.
Oh, come on then.
But do it where the line says.
This is made by MGA Entertainment.
Just like entertainment.
Okay, do you want me to do it or can you do it?
I can do it.
You're missing your head. Has that got instructions behind it as well? Do you want me to quickly open it?
I can handle it.
So is that like a little can after, like a box to keep it in? And then you can stack them up maybe?
Yeah, these guys are the boxes that you keep them in. Unicorn magic. Unicorn magic.
So you're meant to take the lid off. Then you can just, there's a surprise there, careful.
Unicorn food.
Is that what it says?
Yeah. Guys, you can see I'm really good at clicking. And really good at reading.
So how many packs did you get out of there? And it's a really cool container after. So you get instructions.
So first, what is the first instruction?
So first, open all the containers. Hold on, let me have a look.
You have to open it.
That's a bottle, I think. So what does it say? Yeah, don't open the unicorn magic or the unicorn food.
Should I just open this big bottle?
Yeah, open that because we need that. Oh, let me see. Is there a measuring cup in there?
No.
How do you know? Okay, put all the rubbish in the tray for me, please. What did you get? Is that Pepsi? Or is it White Castle? White Castle. Here, let me do it for you. Let me help you because sometimes it's a bit tough. Open the next one.
This one.
Yeah, I don't think it twists. It just White Castle. It's a sparkly, glittery straw. So I think you would get, so that's the bottle, and then that should be a measuring cup. Oh, who's that? Oh,
I got the queen.
oh my god, that's That's amazing. So who's
And
that?
this is a cup for the slime.
Whoa!
See, Mummy?
You got Queen Doo-Doo. Queen Doo-Doo.
Queen Doo-Doo.
Queen Doo-Doo.
See, Mummy, don't know a lot about these, do
I don't. I've not even seen a video of these before, ever. So come and open the next one. Let me have a look. Close look at Queen Doo-Doo. Shall I close it for you? So what, the slime stays in here after?
Yeah.
You sure?
Queen Doo-Doo. This must be the measuring cup.
Queen Doo-Doo with nice sparkly eyes.
It's a measuring cup!
Ooh, thank you. We have a little measuring cup.
Should I open this?
Yes, please.
And this one, because these ones don't have the food. Incomplete and unicorn magic. Look! This is the thing that you put in the slime.
Ooh. Oh, it's root beer scented. Oh my days, this is going to be amazing. It's going to smell your slime. Hold on, what's in there? What is that? That's not.
This or that.
What does it say on there? I think that'll be
The spoon.
a golden spoon. Oh my days, a golden spoon.
Daddy's stumping around. Can you help me open this? Do not look
I'm
in
not going to
that.
look. Okay, let's just. I'm going to go and get the water ready. Okay.
Alright. So
Sit down.
I'm in charge.
Yes,
now.
you're in charge for a moment.
Oh, I can see it. Here it is. Look, Daddy. It's a unicorn. One sec, guys. You can
Green doo-doo.
look.
Oh,
It's
wow.
a unicorn one.
It's a proper.
Because it is unicorn spark, unicorn magic, and unicorn.
So remove the
food.
lid from the included bottle. Done. Leave that in the middle. Careful. Then fill the measuring cup to the fill line marked 15 millilitres with water and pour it into the bottle.
Measuring cup.
That's a bit much.
Yeah.
Come on, pour that. Put that cup down and pour that in there. Do not spill it. Yep. Then after that, then add 5 drops. Oh no, then repeat once more. Oh, I need to add more water. So hold that still so it doesn't drop. Sit down. Don't do that yet. Just once, okay?
I'm in charge again. So we've got unicorn food and unicorn magic.
I think Daddy found another spider. How big was that spider this morning? Yeah. Right, okay, hold on. Hold that still. So then tear open the, fill total 30 ml of water, then add 5 drops of the surprise scent to the bottle. So let me open that for you and then you can do 5 drops. Can you do 5 drops or do you want Mummy to do 5 drops?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you think you'll be able to do it though? Gently.
Yeah.
Was that 5 clicks I just heard? You were getting so good at your cookies.
That was Daddy.
That's different. Right, I need scissors for this.
Oh! Ouch! Mom, the measuring cup and the case for the slime and the spoon has disappeared.
What do you mean?
It's disappeared.
What have you done with it?
I don't know. I haven't done anything.
What have you done? Probably just disappeared.
I just hid it under the chair.
Okay, I'll have to cut that off. Here, put very carefully 5 drops and measure it. Hold on. Hold on. 1, 2. Are you counting? I can't see where you're doing it like that, so you need to count. 4, 5. Oh, do it. It didn't quite come out. Done?
5.
Here, give it to me. I've got the lid here. Just need to open it. Okay, hold on.
Oh, it smells so good.
Does it? So, tear open the unicorn food packet and pour the powder into the bottle. Is that the unicorn food?
Yeah.
Right, come here one sec, because we don't want that to spill. Never
How
mind.
do you put it?
You just need to hold it very gently and then turn it around, pour it in. That's it, hold the cup as well, so you don't spill it. Lift it up a bit so we can see.
How much?
You've got to pour all of it in.
It's kind of blue.
So, oh no way, careful the cup don't spill. Tear open the unicorn foil packet and pour the powder. Tightly close the lid on the bottle, hold the lid and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 1 minute. Then let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the slime to harden.
Do you have to mix it?
I'm going to shake it. Is that all out? Let's have a quick look. Right, have a quick look, please. Is it all out? I don't know if you guys can see, but it's gone like a balloon. So what we do now,
It's like fish stuff.
is we secure the lid on tight. Shake it for a second, and then we've got to do it for a minute. Hold the lid tight. Oh, okay. Do you want Mummy to do a bit? We're back when it's done.
We're back and we've got it. Oh,
So it's been a while, so
Yeah.
can you open it or do you need help?
sorry about the noise.
It's quite tight because they make it tight so that when you shake it, it doesn't go everywhere.
Can I just hold it? You hold the magic thing.
So the next step is to get it out of there, put it in your hand and tear open the unicorn magic packet. Hold the slime in the palm of one hand, then use the other hand to pour the powder into the centre of the slime. Fold the slime in half and continue folding. So, do you want to put it in Mummy's hand? Careful it doesn't go all over your sleeves. Oh, nice. We're back. And Francesca's going to pour it in my hand. Oh. Hold that bit like you were holding it. No, the little bit down there. Hold that there, like that. Move your finger from there though, because you'll hold. That's it.
This will make another colour.
Well, it would help if Daddy did it properly, but yeah.
Look that on it.
Okay, turn on.
It's a bit milky. Not too much water now.
Right, then this is going to make it metallic-y. And we have to fold it in half.
Yeah.
And we'll fold it in half again. It's very hard to fold though, because it's still quite sticky.
Next, what do you do with the spoon?
I don't know. We just keep folding. Right, do you want to open her now?
I already opened that.
Is this all going to fit in her?
Wait a minute.
Careful we don't get it on any clothes. So So open the keychain container by removing the cover on the bottom of the keychain. Store the slime inside of the keychain container, then replace the cover under the keychain. Add your keychain to your own accessories. Press the opening of the clip firmly against the keyring to attach, or carefully pull apart the clip to open it and slide onto your accessories.
Yeah, now it's all over there. Doesn't all fit in her.
Right, okay, so do you want Mummy to have a go?
Yeah.
Alright, listen, you get a little tissue and wipe your hands.
Well, I think this is to dig it in there.
Maybe.
Try.
I don't think it will fit in all. I think there's too much. Oh. Francesca.
What? Farting. Guys, 1 second. I'm just going to show you and remind you where this is from. Comment down below if you can read this. I'll try. Smyths Toys Superstore. Smith. Look guys. Look what I'm saying. Smith. Toy. Super. Stars. Okay, so this is where it's from.
Oh, we get really good sounds from in here.
Takes out. Can you give that? Is that to me? Mommy.
What about if you try it with a spoon? Mummy's hands are like filthy, so I'm going to go and wash them up. So remember to always wash your hands after playing with slime. Make sure it doesn't go in your hair or in your clothes. So how fun was that? It's not going to fit in there, but we'll put it back in the bottle because then it can stay in there and then you can make farting noises. And you can keep that keychain can go in your backpack or in your school book bag. What do you think? Or we can just collect them. So this was $9.99, wasn't it?
But Mum, I really want...
It's not going to fit in there and it will dry out if it goes in there. Yeah, but listen, if it stays in there it's going to dry out, but if it goes in that pot, because it's airtight, it won't dry out as easily. So just put it in there and you can make some, you made a poo shape. See that? That was a poo shape. A queen doo-doo shape. Right, so how fun was that?
Really fun. So bye, hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the red button down below. Green slimy
metallic button. And what else?
If you like slime. And comment down below, Daddy, if you are not making any more music.
And follow Francesca on her Facebook page and Instagram.
And YouTube.
Yeah. Bye everyone.
Bye. If you like my video, press the red button down below for more. Bye.